guys and gals, how we doing? Shaggy here at Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Hey, I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that Link had started a box stock group build in response to the horrible, nasty, rude comments about modelers being nothing but assemblers. But in my last video, I challenged you guys to build a box stock model in response to that very same thing. And Link had saw it and decided he wanted to do a box stock group build. Box stock group build, sorry. And he contacted me and said, hey man, I'm sorry about that. I didn't want to step on your toes because I knew that he knew that I'd put out a video the day before that. So he and I talked, and we're good. And he actually invited me to join in on his group build. So that's what we're doing. We're co-hosting his box stock group build, I guess you could say. So yeah, it's me and Link. We're doing the group build. We're both co-hosting at the same time. A lot of you guys have already jumped in on his group build. I think it's great. It's awesome. Appreciate you guys doing that. Appreciate you for supporting Link in his group build. I'm just kind of jumping in because he asked me to, and yeah, that's what we're doing. And I actually made up a card for it, and he said, yeah, man, go ahead, do what you got to do, and this is the card. So if you guys want to jump in that you already haven't jumped in, go ahead and do it. It goes from September 1st, 2025 to March 1st, 2026. And yeah, and when you do post up your videos or your builds, put in the in the comments hashtag Assemblers Unite. That way Link and I and everybody else on the YouTube there and Facebook or wherever you post it that knows what's going on and the reason behind it. So yeah, appreciate you guys. That's just my little, I guess that's my little announcement video. Like I said, it doesn't start until September 21st. So, I'm sorry, not the 21st. September 1st, sorry. Yeah, it doesn't start until September 1st. So, yeah, appreciate you guys jumping in on it. And we'll look forward to seeing what you got. We'll see you next time. And I'll put my next video I'll put up here. I'm going to show you what I'm building. And if you want, if you're already in another build and you're using a box stock build, go ahead and add that to it. We don't care if you do two at the same time and use the same kit for both builds. It's great. That's awesome. We love doing that. So yeah, that's my spiel about it. Appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, if you have any more questions, just contact me or Link, and we'll get you straightened out. Thanks, guys. See ya.